man, you can be grateful my invention is not for sale, for it would undoubtedly ruin you. It can be exploited for a certain time as a scientific curiosity, but apart from that, it has no commercial value whatsoever. Little did Augustin Lumière, a pioneer in cinematography, realize how motion pictures change the way we see the world. From the beginning of time, people have tried to portray the things they saw around them in realistic ways, and using various camera techniques gives you this advantage when taking shots. One such technique is the tilt. Tilt is a camera movement widely used to obtain depth and focus of an otherwise static photograph. Tilting a camera either up or down allows the photographer to add a sharper focus to the photographs taken. In changing the horizontal and vertical lines in the frames of the camera to diagonal lines creates the effect of motion, making photographs more dynamic and powerful. So what makes tilting unique to cinematography? Well, for one, when a photograph is static, there's very little energy seen in the photograph. This is especially true when taking a person standing on the floor, where the person forms the vertical line and the floor the horizontal line. Now, tilting the camera along the vertical line when taking this shot will give us the perception of gravity and provide depth to the image. Ever try tilting your camera along a tree? Well, here's what happens. Slowly tilting the camera up along this tree shows its grandness and enormity, while tilting the camera down makes it smaller and thinner. In making the most out of the tilt technique, let's try and use it with the rule of thirds. The rule of thirds refers to the division of the camera frame into thirds, horizontally and vertically. To make the photographs more interesting, the subjects of the photographs are usually placed in the intersections or along the lines so that the photos become more balanced. Once the rule of thirds is used, tilt the camera up or down. This will change the focus of the horizontal or vertical line in the frame, creating a more dramatic effect. This is how it works. Let's say we are taking a photograph of a person with a scenic background. The idea here is to place the person according to the rule of thirds, and then tilt the camera up. This brings the horizon down and focuses on the sky. On the other hand, try tilting the camera down. See how the focus changes? It is now on the foreground. Tilting a camera gives us the perception of movement and creates the effect of pulling the viewer into the frame. And in the words of Eudora Welty, a good snapshot stops a moment from running away.